Meaning of insatiable.
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 Insatiable. The word insatiable means an intense and unquenchable desire for something, often to the point of being unable to satisfy it. It describes a feeling of constant hunger or thirst that cannot be fully satisfied no matter how much is consumed. This can refer to various things, such as food, power, wealth, or knowledge. Individuals who exhibit insatiable behavior may find themselves constantly seeking more and more of what they desire, never feeling content or fulfilled. This can lead to negative consequences, such as addiction, overconsumption, or even compulsive behavior.